Hey you guys, thanks for joining our channel. Today I am talking about the very popular Revlon one-step blow drying brush. It is awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm going to show you how to get this look right here. So stay with me. Okay, you guys, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Also follow Madison and I on Instagram. We run the page IG Mom Tribe. I'll link it right here so you can go check us out. We posted our deals, products we love. Maddie posted a video about the Revlon one-step blow drying brush, and she got quite a few comments on how to do this with long hair. So that's what we're doing for you today. We're showing you how to get this look right here with this brush. But let's get right into it, because like I said, time is money and money is time. And I don't have any time, and I actually don't have any money. So there's a few things that I put in my hair. Number one, the first things I put in are just to protect it. Right now I've been using this for a long time. It's L'Oreal Paris Blow Dry It Thermal Smoother Cream. So I'm just gonna, while your hair is wet, you just want to put this through. This stuff is inexpensive, but I found that it works really, really well. So the next thing I'm going to use is Kristin Ess. I love the Kristin Ess line. It smells so good. This is the volumizing mousse. So I'm gonna squirt that. And then Bedhead's Small Talk is awesome too. I'm gonna do one squirt of that. Mix it together. And then you're gonna rub this through the crown of your head. And then kind of bring it out to the ends. Oh gosh, I gotta nurse a baby. Okay, next thing you're gonna use, Kristin Ess again. You guys, Kristin Ess products smell so good. They smell amazing. This is the thickening spray. So you're just going to spray this. Here we go. Spray this at your roots, in the crown. Okay. Get that all over. Now, when you're using this brush, it gets super hot. In fact, you're probably not going to even want it on the highest setting. I would keep it at low, because you don't want to burn your hair, you don't want to damage your hair. You also don't want your hair to be super, super wet, because it takes more heat to get it dry. You're going to damage your hair. So I'm going to blow dry it first. Now, when you're blow drying your hair and you're trying to get as much volume as possible, I part my hair on the left side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redirect my hair on the right and from the crown as much as possible. Okay, and this is going to create a lot of volume when I flip it over. Okay, and I would say get it to about 10% wet, if that makes sense. Okay, and I'm going to keep it parted on this other side as much as possible right now. A few tricks when using the Revlon brush. And first of all, you guys, I love this brush. It's awesome for getting your hair super smooth. It's also awesome if you've got like thick curly hair and you have a hard time taming it. This is a brush to use for sure. It's also great for just getting a round brush look when you're not very good at using a round brush. I got this for my mom for Christmas because she's not very good. No, actually she's come a long way. She's actually pretty good, but still this will cut her time in half, and she has pretty thick hair. So I'm gonna section off the hair, start at the bottom. When you are brushing it, okay, you wanna brush away from your head. Okay, don't pull it down because we're trying to create volume here. And you're gonna try to make like a half circle here, okay? So bring it out and around, and use your hand to keep the hair in. And I'll try to kind of come up as I'm recording this. So I'm gonna start it on low. so now I'm just taking out the second layer, and if you do have to walk away from doing your hair for any reason, keep it up because that'll keep it wet. And if you need to spray it a little bit, do it. You know what I mean? Do it. I don't know. Remember, you're pulling away from your head, not into your head, away. Don't be stupid. Stupid people do drugs. Okay, in the Kristin Ess products, you can really feel the volume. Like you can feel that your hair is like thicker here at the root. They're awesome. They're so good. It's super smooth. Nice and smooth. Okay. Now this last layer on top, I'm going to do a few tricks to create more volume. As much volume as I have. Remember, I part my hair on the left side, so I'm going to try to redirect as much as I can this way, and I'm going to redirect forward to try to just create a lot of volume. So you can start from the back, or you can start from the front. I'm going to start from the front and just pull this forward. I've finally kind of parted it the way I want it. You can see that I have a lot of volume on this side created from redirecting and just from round brushing in general. I'm going to finish up the back because it's still a little bit wet back there. Okay, so you can see I have a ton of volume in the top here. I'm going to take this, my bathroom's a little bit smaller, so I'm going to take this to a place where you can see like the final result. My hair is so long that I need the camera to be further back. So I'm going to take this to another room so you can see the end product, but you can tell like the smooth, my hair is super smooth, but also volumized, and that's what I love about this brush. So let me take this to another room so that you can see it a little further back. Yeah, but I really do love this brush. The way it's able to smooth is just unlike any other, especially if you have a hard time round brushing. Like, this is the brush for you. Also, if you have curly hair, thick hair that you have a hard time taming, this is it, sister. This is it. I will link everything below so that you guys can grab any of the products I talked about. Remember, those Kristin Ess products do awesome for helping add volume to your hair. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We run the page IG Mom Tribe, where we post about deals that we find, products we love on the regular, on the daily. We also post funny memes because that's what we're all about as moms, and we need to see that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, my hair is getting ridiculously long. Oh, and I have a baby down here. There. Okay, thanks for joining us today, you guys. I'm gonna go tend to this little nugget. Go get that Revlon brush. If you follow us on Instagram, then you already know that this brush was on sale for 39 bucks. That's the kind of deals we post about. Stuff to save you money. Right now, I believe it's 59. I'll post everything below. Thanks again, people.